In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Planner dark mode. If you use Microsoft Planner regularly and want a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light or during long work sessions, switching to dark mode can help reduce eye strain and make the interface feel a lot cleaner. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This method works by changing your browser's appearance settings, which then affects how you view Planner. To get started, look at the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-line menu icon. This is where you'll find the main browser options and settings. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to check the upper right area carefully, since its exact appearance can vary slightly depending on your browser version. Once that menu opens, scroll down toward the bottom and click Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize how your browser looks and behaves. You may see a number of different categories here, but don't worry, we're only focusing on the appearance-related options. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click Appearance. This section controls the visual style of the browser, including things like layout, display options, and themes. Opening this section is important because the dark mode setting is usually located here rather than inside the website itself. After that, find and click Theme. Depending on your browser, this may appear as a drop-down menu, a selectable option, or a settings card. The theme setting is what allows you to switch the overall browser color style from the default light mode to a darker one. Now, on the right side, choose Dark. As soon as you select it, your browser should update visually, and Microsoft Planner should now appear in a dark-themed environment when viewed through that browser. If the change doesn't appear instantly, give it a second, or refresh the Planner page to make sure the new theme is fully applied. That's all you need to do. You've successfully changed your browser theme to dark mode, so Microsoft Planner is easier on the eyes. If you spend a lot of time managing tasks, projects, or team plans, this small adjustment can make the experience much more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly set up dark mode in Microsoft Planner.